All right, guys. So I got some news I gotta share with you. We got the building! Woo! Yeah! All right, all right, all right! Woo! All right, baby. Yeah, you want some of this?
Yeah.
I got you, bro. And woo! Woo! All of those that have been wondering, you know, what's this countdown? 11 days, 5 days, 3 days? Well, here we are, baby. We just purchased this beautiful 16,033 square foot building in the heart of Sarasota, Florida. This is gonna be our new world headquarters for the most innovative brand in adult daycare you've ever seen. Active Age, right here. HQ. We're gonna put an 8,000 square foot adult daycare center in this building. We're coming here to serve the seniors of Sarasota, and we cannot wait to show you the progress and the process we're gonna take to transform this place into the greatest and the happiest place on earth for seniors, baby. Let's go. All right, everyone, so thank you guys so much for your support and just all your encouragement. It means the absolute world to me. There's nothing that I'll get greater joy out of than seeing the lives of our members change like right before our eyes. And I cannot wait to take that same joy that we see every day and just share that joy with the entire world through our new franchise, Active Age. And I'm super excited because I look forward to being able to take you behind the scenes as we go through this pretty big journey over the next 6 to 7 months of renovating this building and setting it up as our flagship location for all of our future franchisees. So I'm so excited because we're gonna take you behind the scenes along the construction journey and then the transformation of this building into what is going to be just an incredible place. Don't miss out on the updates as we take you behind the scenes in this massive, massive renovation. All right, we'll see you soon.